You might know it for baking cakes. But did you know this white powder can do much more? It's a powerhouse for health, skincare, and even personal hygiene. In this video, we're going to reveal 10 fantastic ways baking soda can boost your well-being all in a natural, cost-effective way. Watch until the end to learn about some important safety tips so you don't overdo it. Ready? Let's dive in. 1. Natural deodorant. Tired of expensive deodorants packed with chemicals? Baking soda could be your new best friend. Unlike regular deodorants that just mask the smell, baking soda tackles the root cause bacteria. How does it work? It's simple. Baking soda is alkaline, which neutralizes the acids in sweat. It also absorbs moisture, keeping your underarms dry and less inviting for bacteria to grow. To use, mix a bit of baking soda with water, or even coconut oil if you have sensitive skin. Apply to your underarms and enjoy a fresh day naturally. 2. Heartburn relief. Ever felt that burning sensation after a big meal? Baking soda could save the day. It works like a natural antacid, neutralizing stomach acids that cause heartburn. All you need to do is mix 1 teaspoon of baking soda in a glass of cold water and sip slowly. It'll help balance the acid in your stomach and relieve that burning feeling. But don't overdo it too much, could lead to bloating or even diarrhea. Moderation is key. 3. Oral health booster. Looking for a natural way to keep your teeth healthy? Baking soda can neutralize acids in your mouth, which helps prevent cavities and protect tooth enamel. You can even use it to freshen your breath. Just sprinkle a bit of baking soda on your toothbrush, or mix it with water for a quick mouth rinse. For a deeper clean, mix it with hydrogen peroxide to make a homemade toothpaste that helps whiten teeth and keep bacteria at bay. Simple, right? 4. Skin exfoliant. Want glowing, smooth skin without spending on expensive products? Baking soda is a gentle yet effective exfoliant. Its fine texture removes dead skin cells, revealing a brighter complexion underneath. Mix 3 parts baking soda with 1 part water. Gently scrub your skin in circular motions, and rinse with warm water. Just don't overdo it. Using it once or twice a week is perfect for most skin types. Your skin will thank you. 5. Sunburn soother. Got a little too much sun? Baking soda to the rescue. Its cooling effect can help relieve the sting of sunburn. Dissolve a few tablespoons in cool water, soak a cloth in the mixture, and gently apply it to the affected areas. It'll calm the skin and draw out the heat. Repeat as needed, and you'll feel better in no time. 6. Foot soak and exfoliator. Treat your feet. If you're dealing with smelly or rough feet, baking soda can help. Its ability to neutralize odors and exfoliate rough skin makes it perfect for a foot soak. Add a few tablespoons to a basin of warm water. Soak your feet for 15 to 20 minutes. Then scrub gently with a baking soda paste. Rinse, dry, and follow up with a good moisturizer. Your feet will feel soft and refreshed. 7. ITCH relief for bites and rashes. Got an itchy mosquito bite or rash? Baking soda can help with that too. Thanks to its anti-inflammatory properties, it can reduce the swelling and itching. Make a paste by mixing baking soda with water. Apply it to the bite or rash, and let it dry for 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing. You'll get quick relief without the need for chemical ointments. 8. Natural hand cleanser. Whether you've been cooking, gardening, or just dealing with greasy hands, baking soda makes a great natural hand cleanser. Its abrasive texture helps scrub away dirt and neutralizes odors like garlic or onions. Mix a couple of tablespoons with water to form a paste. Scrub your hands thoroughly, then rinse with warm water. It's effective, cheap, and gentle on your skin. 9. Detox bath. Need to relax after a long day? A baking soda detox bath could be just what you need. Adding baking soda to your bath can help neutralize acidity in your body and promote relaxation. Pour 1 to 2 cups into your bath water, soak for 20 to 30 minutes, and let the baking soda work its magic. It'll help soothe muscles, draw out toxins, and leave you feeling refreshed. For an extra treat, throw in some Epsom salt for more muscle-relaxing benefits. 10. Teeth whiter. Want whiter teeth without spending on expensive treatments? Baking soda's mild abrasiveness can remove surface stains from coffee, tea, and even smoking. Sprinkle a little on your toothbrush, brush as usual, and rinse. Use it a couple of times a week for brighter teeth, but don't overdo it to protect your enamel from wear. Now, baking soda is amazing, but it's not a miracle solution for everything. Here are a few safety tips. If you have sensitive skin, always test a small area before applying baking soda to larger parts of your body. Don't brush your teeth with baking soda too often, it can wear down enamel over time. And if you're using it for heartburn, don't make it a daily habit as it can upset the balance in your stomach. That's it for today's video. If you found these tips helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more natural health hacks. Have you tried any of these baking soda uses? Let us know in the comments below.